Hi, I'm Amanda Haas. Do you want to learn an amazing trick for julienning carrots? Well, prepare to have your mind blown. Watch and learn. All I'm going to do is cut it on a really big bias, which means instead of a small angle, a larger angle. You'll notice I'm using my other hand to steady the carrot so it doesn't roll, and I cut safely. Okay, so here's what's so cool about this. I'm going to fan a bunch of these out and show you what I'm going to do, but first, you could just take any of these pieces and cut straight across. See how easy it makes it? You have these great little juliennes. Or, if you want to look really fancy, I'm going to show you phase 2 of this little art project. Take your carrots and just fan them out. You're just going to overlap them on your cutting board. By doing so, you're going to be able to cut through more faster than you would if you just had individual pieces. Make sense? So if you really wanted everything to look perfect and chefy, which let's do it. I'm going to cut the top off this way, okay? Get rid of that. Let's cut the bottoms off. And now you're going to get these perfectly julienned pieces. I could pass culinary school with these knife skills. Okay, here we go. And you can just be holding on to the next carrot for stability as you cut. See how fun that is? Perfectly julienned carrots. What more could you ask for?